In this video, I'm going to walk you through on all you need to know about the Windows 11 taskbar customization. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So I'm going to show you I can be able to get familiar and get used to your taskbar customization well enough here on your Windows. So what you need to do, click on this. You're going to be able to see taskbar settings. Click on it. Now from here, you can be able to come on here and properly customize your taskbar based on your reference. So you can see search. What do you want to let it show in the search? So you can come on here. You can hide it if you want. You can see search is not showing again. You can see. You can see. You can see. So any of them if you want. You're going to be able to see the task view. So you can come on here. You can turn it off. You can turn it on. You're going to be able to see the widgets. So you can come on here. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. For the chat, you can come on here. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. And for the pen menu, you can also come, like you can be able to also come on here. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. You can also enable the touch keyboard icon. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. Look at it. Look at it. So you can see it. You can see it. You can still go back. You can turn it off if you want as well. Then the visual touchpad. You can see it. This is it. So you can be able to touch your screen pad if you want. Like you can be able to control your screen using the touchpad. You can also turn it off if you want. So you're going to be able to see the taskbar corner overflow. So just make sure to just do this from your own preference. Then this is the taskbar behavior. You can be able to set where you want the taskbar to show. Center. It can be left. It can be center. Also, you can also hide your taskbar if you want. Right? You can also show the badges on all this. So, if you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.